be showing you this Westinghouse Pacemaker fan. This fan is 10 inches and it oscillates. This fan has one speed. So now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. It's a really powerful fan. It's running really smoothly. And it oscillates really well. Alright, so now I'm going to give you guys a spin down time. So yeah, as you can see, the fan has a really good spin down time. So now I'm going to show you all of the sides of this fan. Here's the right side, here's the rear, here's the right side, and here's the front. Some things I found interesting about this fan was the cage. The cage looks really interesting on this fan. And also, something else that really looked interesting was these support-like beams on the back of the blades. Here, I'll show you.